Hey everyone, it's Monday and I decided to vlog the day. So I started the day obviously by caffeinating myself. Can this even be a vlog without me starting the vlog without caffeinating myself? I actually just got done editing a video. This is in collaboration with a brand and there have been like so many changes, so I am just waiting for this to like just go up. Because it's a very fun look and I hope you guys like it. And I was also like, every Monday Nikita and I, we like just go over everything that we need to do. We've recently started using our calendar app because that really helps me understand like what I have to do throughout the month or throughout the week, and it just puts everything, it just structures everything. So even on like my phone, like the calendar is like the first thing you would see, and then that's what I was like doing on my laptop as well. I don't know if you can see the screen, but like just figuring out everything that I need to do today. And I thought, since I have so much to do, why don't I just vlog the day as well, because I don't even remember the last time I vlogged. It's been so crazy with like the housework finally starting, and I'm so glad that it started back again. I got to unbox everything that was boxed, bought some plants, so that added like so much life. And I'm hoping and praying that within this week everything should be done. I still have this box full of makeup that it needs to be unboxed. Yeah, I don't even know where to start from, so I think I'll just let this be for now. I also have this random corner of stuff. I think these are like PR kits that I received in my old house that I never got a chance to unbox. I also unboxed all of the skincare from my previous bathroom. They were all in this box and I just need to sort this out. It's been laying here for far too long. Okay, I just got done. That was really tiring but very satisfying. I'm going to take a shower now. This is my other bathroom. I'm in between my laser sessions, so I do have a little bit of growth and I do want to do like a nice get ready with me reel right after the shower. So I am wearing like a nice strappy top, so it's time for me to take care of this underarm. And for that, I'm actually trying out this new range of underarm care product from Sunfei. So we have the Underarm No Mess razor. This is what the razor looks like. All right, let's do this. So that was actually really easy and super quick. I actually quite like the grip of this. Then we have this underarm exfoliator. They're all made with like sea minerals. Just gonna exfoliate it now. This is so much fun. I love trying out new products. Okay, I'm done exfoliating. That was actually quite nice. It wasn't too harsh. And now it's time for me to take a shower. And then I am going to apply the Underarm Depigmentation Serum and follow it up with the deo. Just got done with my shower. Finishing up my skincare routine. Applying some sunscreen. Remember to reapply your sunscreen every 3 hours, and if you have to reapply on top of makeup, the spray ones are like the best way to go for it. Okay, now it's time for me to apply the Underarm Depigmentation Serum. Okay, so you take a generous amount and gently massage into the skin for 20 seconds. Now it's time for me to apply the Underarm Antiperspirant Deo Cream. This is what the cream looks like. Just gonna take that. I like that it doesn't have that white cast. This is made with sea aster and sea algae. Is it algae or algae? Please let me know in the comments. So that was the entire underarm routine. That deo actually feels very cooling and tingly, and doesn't really have any fragrance as such. I actually like that. yeah, so that's it. I'm done with my underarm routine. Now it's time for me to get ready and do a get ready with me reel. So I just got done filming this. See, underarm shot. So I just posted that reel. I actually did this nice double wing liner that matches my pants that I'm wearing today, and now I'm gonna take some pictures. So I just got changed to work out. So I got done working out. I took another shower. I actually washed my hair this time, and now it's time for me to actually edit this video right here and another video I actually filmed before I worked out. Hopefully I can finish that and just pass out after I eat something, because it's been such a long day for me. It's been really tiring. I cannot wait to get into my blanket. So I'm just currently editing. I have sushi. Hi. Oh. Oh, she heard me take her name. Sushi is sleeping right next to me as I edit. And I have Shadow next to me as well. She's right here by my side, and I'm hoping I can get done with this in the next 15 minutes. And I'm watching Pose as I edit. Okay, the lights are flickering so much. I don't think the frame rates match, and I don't know how to fix it. If you guys know how to fix it, then please let me know. This is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.